take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic temperature control, a power liftgate, and voice-activated navigation. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.